Now network is computers and devices connected to each other with wires or without wires, which is wireless or Wi-Fi. Now the internet is a big network, that's it, or a large network that uses telephone lines, cables, satellite, wireless connections to connect and other devices to each other. The question is how internet works. Now as you see in the image, our computer here on the left want to connect to the server on the right. As you see in the green circle. Now it will go through the routers and switches, through the ISPs until we reach the destination. And we will go through the OSI models. As you see in the image, we will start the application layer, the presentation layer, session layer, transport layer, network, data link, physical. Now what is socket and socket programming? Now socket, it's a communication mechanism, allows clients and server to connect to each other. Imagine it is a bucket and we want this bucket to be sent through this wire. The socket programming, we program our way and set the rules and the protocols we want to use in this socket, and we choose the language or the programming language we want. Now as you see in the image, the server here, we create the socket, we set the socket options, we bind listening until we get a connection, then we accept it, then we start the sending and receiving. And the client, we create a socket, we connect to the server, we start sending and receiving. Now there is two protocols, TCP, Transmission Control Protocol, and UDP, User Datagram Protocol. Now this image will tell us some of the differences. As you see, the TCP is reliable, UDP is unreliable. Reliable means that we make sure that the packet we send will be reached without any modification on it. Connection oriented, which means that we established the connection by three-way handshaking, but UDP is connectionless, no three-way handshaking. And as you see, TCP, we have segment retransmission and flow control and windowing. Now in UDP, no windowing or retransmission. In TCP, there is a segment sequencing. UDP, no sequences at all. And TCP, we have acknowledged segments, but UDP have no segment at all. Now this image will explain the communication mechanism. As you see, three-way handshaking, and we start sending the data. But UDP, we start sending data immediately.